This is Harry Bogle. Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Media saturation. It used to be an American thing, but right back to the Beaconsfield mine when Stefanovic or Wilkinson or one of those other left-wing Channel Niners was talking to a young man and Bill Shorten, and then as the miners came out, she just cut them off and straight to the miners, and it went on for days and days. And it's escalated to the point where some crazed idiot will drive a truck through the Arc de Triomphe in France, and you wake up and turn on it, and there's Stefanovic or someone from the Sunrise Show live. What are they doing? Trying to make us live in fear, sticking it down our throats. It's mad shit, and you got to turn it off. Stop it, Australia, before you go blind. This is Harry Bogle.